Today we are going to use the original, the OG. This is a cordless drill right here. Like any other drill, you've got the head here, the chuck that you spin, and then you can put your drill bit in there and it will clamp down on it and hold it in place. It's got a little rust here on it, but it is still in working condition. And then it's got this handle here and the knob here. Now I don't know how to use this. I'm assuming it's not really complicated looking, but you're going to put your drill bit in here, grab the handle, grab the knob here, and then you can spin here and drill a hole. And we're gonna do that. So I'm installing a indoor security camera here, and just for funsies, I am going to try to drill a hole here in the drywall using this. So I've got the chuck open here, and then I'm just going to spin it closed here, kind of resting this knob here on my chest or stomach, and then I'm just gonna spin here and clamp down on the drill bit. It's a little rusty, so it's moving kind of slow, but I mean, oh man, I don't know if it's gonna grab this one. So unfortunately, it's too rusted and it's not gonna grab that one. So this one's too small. We'll try the next size up here. There we go. All right, so that worked there. This drill bit's in. Let's go ahead and test it out. See if I can drill a hole in the drywall here. I've already got two holes here, but I'm gonna just drill one here in the middle, and then this bracket will go over that and it'll cover that middle hole. So, you know, I'm not really worried about an extra hole there, and then I can always patch it later here. So I'm gonna get lined up here. I kind of got to push it in, press it up against the wall here, and hey-o, look, it's working a little bit. So here I'm just spinning it like this. It's actually working here. We are drilling into the wall here, and it's not terrible. I mean, it's not hard, it's not easy. It's just kind of awkward, and it's actually doing a pretty good, oh, there we go. And that wasn't bad at all. That drilled a hole in the wall pretty quick, and it was actually fairly easy. But let's try something real. Let's try some wood now. Now we got some wood, let's actually see how we do drilling into some wood. Huh. Actually doing a fairly good job, and it's not as hard as I thought it was going to be. It actually spins pretty easy. Huh. Oh, am I through? Oh yeah, I'm just popping through there on the other side. There we go. Just spin it out. And there we go. Drilled a hole in there. Didn't take that long, less than a minute, a couple seconds or so. And we have successfully drilled a hole. So there you go. That is the original, the OG wireless cordless hand drill. I love my power tools, but it's cool to see what they used to use back in the day. Hope you thought that was as interesting as I did. I'm glad that we live in the day and age that we do now, but it's nice to see that they at least had some help back then. Never knew such a thing like this existed, so it's just kind of cool to check out. An antique here. This will probably just sit around the garage, talk about it every now and then, and it'll just be a little cool piece to have around. But it works, and it actually did a really good job, so I'm fairly impressed. So if you like DIY around the house, my name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.